Hey everyone, it's me Karen, and today I'm going to be bringing you a manicure that I did about 2 months ago, and you've seen me do two other versions of this one in both blue and green, and I love them so much. Here is the purple version. Alright, I'm using Polish Alcoholic Felicia Sexapants, and a Sally Hansen's Color Foil Inlaid Lilac. I just love these combos of regular plain nail polish dressed up with a foil stamping. It works out so well. I'm using another Yours Cosmetics plate. I also am a huge fan of these plates. They are generously sized for long nails and they are etched really well. The stamper I'm using today is my very first stamper that I bought individually, and it is my trusty stamper. Alright, you saw me stamp there, and I didn't show you very much of it, but you've seen these before. I'm just going to clean up a little bit here. I didn't use any latex or some kind of skin protectant, so I made a mess of the skin around my nails. So I'm using a cotton swab. I like these pointed varieties. You can really get into some crevice as well. And that's what I used to use all the time before I bought myself a cleanup brush. Alright, it's time for top coating. I'm using some Glisten and Glow Quick Dry Top Coat. Love, love, love this top coat. It does not shrink as much as something like Seche Vite, and it also does not pull my skin away from my nail. That usually happens in the shrinking process. It works out very, very well. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't yet already. I have a lot more pictures of manicures that I have done that I have not done any videos for. Isn't that pretty? And some final cleanup with my Twinkle Tea number 2 brush. It is a very tiny one. Didn't have a lot of cleanup to do since I used the cotton swab. Yeah, don't forget to check the information box below for links to the products that I used here. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. And yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Love this one. Hope you did too. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Here are some close-up shots for you to enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.